How to create or make Kakaotalk account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can make Kakaotalk account. Now first things first, you can get the application on your Play Store or App Store easily. Once you have it, you can go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, it will ask you for your email or phone number on the login page here. But if you want to create account, you can see the sign up option right there. You can tap on it. Once you tap on sign up, you'll have to tap on I agree to all terms and conditions here. You can see the terms and conditions here, so you can tap on agree and continue. Then it'll ask you to select your country here. You can tap on the drop down there and select your country here, and your country code will pop up right there. Next thing, you want to enter in your phone number. So you can see it'll send you a verification code to the phone number. Then you can simply tap on OK. Then it'll send you a verification code, and once you get the verification code, you'll have to enter it right there. So you can see send verification message. You can tap on it there, and it'll ask you to send a text here. So you want to choose your SIM and then send the text here. Now it's not going up right yet. Maybe it's due to the balance issue on my SIM card. But once you send it, then you'll get the verification code there. You'll have to enter the verification code on the application, and then you'll have to go ahead and enter in your details, and you'll be able to log in. So this is how you can sign up on Kakaotalk. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.